Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Google and opening a blank sheet. Name the file and place the month and year in row 1 so dates reference them. This keeps things dynamic. Next, pick one cell for the month start and enter a date formula like equals date, 2025, 12/1. Use equals weekday, start cell 2 to find the weekday index. This positions the first date in your grid. Once done, prepare a 7-column header for weekdays and reserve space for event data. You now fill the calendar grid using formulas that offset the start date by row and column indices so each cell shows the correct date. For example, use equals if start plus offset less or equal a month, start 0, start plus offset, so blank cells appear outside the month. Once populated, link a separate events sheet to store titles and times. This keeps the calendar tidy. Then insert filter or VLOOKUP formulas to pull event text into day cells. This makes your calendar update automatically when you add or change events. You finish by styling and validating the sheet. Apply conditional formatting to highlight weekends and holidays, and use wrapping so long event text stays readable. Next, set print area and page layout to fit the month on one page when needed, and configure share permissions for collaborators. If something breaks, first verify date cell formats and that your formulas use absolute references, dollar, correctly. Also watch for circular references or mismatched year/month inputs. Fixing those typically resolves wrong dates or missing entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.